In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change icon project in Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm your new icon is set, all in just a few moments. Start by heading to grok.com in your browser. Once the page loads and you're in your workspace, keep your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. That's where the main navigation lives, and it's the quickest way to reach what you need without digging through extra menus. In that left panel, look for the section labeled Projects. Directly below it, you'll see a list of your projects laid out in a simple, scrollable list. This is your home base for making changes at a glance, and it's where the icon controls are conveniently placed so you don't have to open each project individually. Next to each project name, you'll notice a small icon. That's the current project icon, and it's exactly what you'll update. Find the project you want to adjust and click directly on that little icon beside its name. No need to open settings or dive into additional pages. Clicking the icon itself brings up everything you need. As soon as you click, an icon picker will appear with all the available options. You'll typically see a grid of symbols, colors, and styles designed to help you differentiate projects quickly. Take a brief moment to scan through the choices. A helpful tip is to pick a design that stands out from the other projects you work with every day, or choose something that visually matches the project's theme, audience, or urgency, so it's easier to spot at a glance. When you found the one that fits, click the icon you want. The change applies immediately. There's no separate save button to press. Grok handles the update automatically, which means fewer clicks and less time spent confirming settings. After selecting, look back at the project list and verify that the new icon is now showing beside your project's name. If it doesn't appear right away, give the interface a brief moment to refresh. A quick visual check here ensures everything looks the way you expect before you move on with your work. That's all there is to it. Go to grok.com, focus on the left panel under Projects, find your project, click its existing icon, choose a new one from the icon picker, and the update saves automatically. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped you tidy up your workspace and make projects easier to spot, you're all set to repeat the process for any other project you manage.